In a supply chain, no company is an island. It is a system. They're all interconnected. If the disruption is further away from me in the tiers of the supply chain, every tier in between me and that disruption provides some buffer. Decisions made in one area of the supply chain can obviously impact other areas. But the data that you need often costs money to go get that data. The data is not always readily available. So rather than go try to pay and collect data for all the suppliers in your supply chain, using a structural simulation approach like scmBLOX, you can actually prioritize where to go collect data. Pros and cons. If you look at statistical modeling, the pros of that are that it can be used for short term, great, because the conditions really don't change that much in the short term. So in reality, almost any forecast methodology, it works. And it's already built into ERP and SCM tools. So the cons, you need perfect data. And so you're scrubbing data, you're cleansing data, you may be even fudging data at times to make sure that it works. Statistical modeling is not good for the long term, especially when the conditions change and you have no data for that condition. And so you have no way to understand or build a model. And it doesn't include the decision making processes along the way. Statistical modeling treats all the activities as a black box, doesn't really care. Structural modeling, the pros are it does incorporate all those cause and effect activities and management feedback loops of how things are corrected. And it is better for long term forecasts, more accurate than statistical modeling. And it's not included in any of the tools right now, which is how and why we created scmBLOX. You are not going to see these kinds of results with the network optimization tools, network design tools that are out there that can really only do short term because they are more statistical in nature often. They're not continuous and capture feedback and all that.